Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. By now we have understood that mega projects are a vital cog in the Indian economic machinery, and eventually we see mega projects coming up in various states of India. In this video we will talk in details about the upcoming infrastructural projects which are in various stages of implementation in the industrialized state of gorgeous Gujarat. Before that, if you are new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to smash the like button. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1600 km, most of which lies on the Kathiawar Peninsula and a population of 60.4 million. It is the fifth largest Indian state by area and the ninth largest state by population. The Gujarati people of India are indigenous to the state, and their language Gujarati is the state's official language. The economy of Gujarat is the fifth largest in India. The state traditionally has low unemployment rate and is widely considered as one of the most industrialized and developed states of India and a manufacturing hub. Gujarat's natural environment includes the Great Run of Kutch and the hills of Saputara, and it is the sole home of pure Asiatic lions in the world. During the historic reigns of the sultans, Hindu craftsmanship blended with Islamic architecture, which gave rise to the Indo-Saracenic style. Many structures in the state are built in this fashion. It is also the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which were one of the greatest iconic figures of India's independent movement. Now that we have understood the various beauties as well as specialities of the state, let us look at the top 5 biggest mega projects which will add glamorous feather in the cap of the state of Gujarat. To make it more interesting, we will move in the descending order depending on the nature of project. The first in the high profile list is the majestic Surat Metro. The Surat Metro is an under construction rapid transit rail system for Surat in Gujarat state of India. Two corridors with a combined length of 40.35 kilometers are under construction since 18th January 2021. The project will be completed in 3 years at an estimated cost of Rs 12,020 crore. In August 2012, the Surat Municipal Corporation proposed 4 rail routes for the metro project. The government of Gujarat approved 2 corridors in January 2017. The Union government approved the project on 11th March 2019. It will be implemented by Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited, and it will be financed mainly through equity from Government of India and Government of Gujarat on 50:50 basis and loan from bilateral and multilateral agencies. AFD has committed to lend 250 million euros for the project. On 9th March 2019, the Public Investment Board approved 12,000 crore for the project. In phase 1, 20 metro stations will be built on first corridor from Sarthana to Dream City route, and 18 metro stations will be built on second corridor from Bhesan to Saroli. The foundation of the project was laid on 18th January 2021 as already discussed by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the construction is expected to be completed by early 2024. Moving to the fourth in this high octane list is the Rajkot International Airport. Rajkot Greenfield International Airport is a greenfield airport currently under construction at Hirasar, which is in Gujarat. It is planned as a single runway airport for the operation of C category aircraft. Prime Minister Narendra Modi presided over the groundbreaking ceremony held on 7th October 2017. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change accorded environmental clearance to the project on 10th October 2017. Talking about the current status of the project, the under construction international airport at Hirasar, which is located around 30 kilometers from Rajkot, will be completed by March 2023. The contractor stated that the construction work has not been hampered due to the COVID pandemic, and also added that the first phase of the project is expected to be completed by August 2022. The airport is being developed by the Airports Authority of India at a cost of 2,654 crore. Moving on to the third in this list is the multi-modal logistical park being developed in Sanand. Gujarat government signed pact with Adani Port to set up largest multi-modal logistical park. The Gujarat government signed a memorandum of understanding with the private infrastructure company Adani Ports and SEZ Limited to set up the country's largest multi-modal logistic park at Sanand with an estimated investment of 50,000 crore. The proposed 1,450-acre park will have a dedicated air cargo complex with 4.6-kilometer long runway to handle even large-sized cargo aircraft and will offer direct air, rail, and road connectivity. It will also have a provision of direct rail connectivity with dedicated freight corridor, which is part of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. It will have potential to generate direct and indirect employment for 25,000 people. According to the state government, the project will be completed in a phased manner in 3 years, as the work will commence within 6 months after obtaining required clearance and permissions. Hence, all in all, the mega project is all set to add fillip to the economic growth of not only the state but also the entire country. The second mega project in this heavyweight list is the Kutch Hybrid Energy Park, with the Government of India committing itself to install 175 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by 2022. The Gujarat government identified 1 lakh hectares of wasteland near Kharda, 72 km north of Bhuj, close to the international border with Pakistan in Kutch, for an energy park. In April 2020, after taking into consideration the requirement of the Defence Forces, the Ministry of Defence gave its approval to use 72,600 hectares of the identified land to build the park. The renewable energy park will have 2 zones. One, a 49,600 hectare hybrid park zone that will accommodate wind and solar power plants of 24,800 megawatt capacity, and 2, an exclusive wind park zone spread over 23,000 hectares. The hybrid renewable energy park is projected to attract the investment of around 1.35 lakh crore. The PM had given a deadline of 2022 for the completion of the project. The mega project, which firmly holds the first position, is the most ambitious Gujarat International FinTech City, or betterly known as GIFT City. Gujarat International FinTech City is a business district near Ahmedabad in Gujarat. It is India's first operational greenfield smart city and international finance service center, which the government of Gujarat promoted as a greenfield project. The city is located on the banks of the Sabarmati River and is around 12 km from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The city is designed so residents can walk to work and includes commercial and residential complexes. As of April 2021, an investment of Rs 10,500 crore has already been committed for GIFT City. The city has an integrated development model which has been spread out in 3 phases, each of which is designed as integrated sustainable development. The first phase includes development of office spaces, residential, schools, hotels and clubs. As of April 2021, about 225 units or companies are operational and more than 12,000 professionals are employed in the city. In future, Zone Startups will develop a program to attract domestic as well as international fintech and fintech-enabled startups in areas such as digital banking, digital app-based lending, crowdfunding, various secured electronic payment services, IFSC-related clearing mechanism, insurance tech, prepaid payment instruments and digital payments. The implementation has got delayed due to various bureaucratic hurdles faced by the government of the state, which eventually affected the investment mood of international investors. It is highly expected that the GIFT City will see the light of the day before 2024. With this, we come to the end of the video. There are plenty of mega projects lined up to bolster the economy, which are Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train, Jamnagar container hub, Nargol port development, and many more. I would request you once again to please like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated about various mega projects happening in different parts of the country. Also, do not forget to mention your favorite mega project from this list. Next up is one of the most traditional and forward-looking state of India, that is Madhya Pradesh. It will be exciting to watch out the lucrative infra projects in the state. Thank you for watching this video.